Hi guys, you are welcome back to Tony's Campus. Today we're gonna learn a praise baseline like this. Okay, this is a very simple praise baseline, and it comes from one of the Kweku JC's um praise song, and the song goes this way. So we have two ways of playing this particular song, and we have the intro part and the walking bassline part. So if today is the first time you're visiting my channel, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, you leave a like and a comment under the comment section. Okay, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. The song was made in the key of G. So the intro goes this way. So let's go this way. We'll play it this way. So you're gonna start this way. You start from the higher do or the octave of the do. We have these are do. So first thing you like to do is so this is the first bass line you're gonna play. The notes are, that is do, then you play the so do, then you play. So you start from the do, the highest do, that is do, so do, so do. After playing the do, so do, then you play the lower notes of the so do, then you play another. So with this particular bassline, when you listen to it, you can even play it on your own without me giving you the notes. But let me try and give you the notes. That is do, so do, then so do, then do, so do. Do, so do. So you play the do, so do two times, then you move to the next one. That goes this way. That is do fa. The next one will be do fa instead of so do. So after playing the do fa, then you can play the so re so do so re so do. So you go this way. Very simple, very simple. So let's go to the other part that okay. Me sorry. With that one, it is a walking bass line, so we can play it at the highest note. Let's go to the lower note. That is our G. So Minyami surreal. You can play something like you see, so this is our G. You start from the do mi so. You play the do mi so. Then you can play this. So this is our so. That is our 5. So you start from the do mi so. Do mi so. Do. Then you play. So after playing the do mi so, then so do mi so, then we are moving to the fa la re. Then you play so ti so. Wait, so ti so. Let me see. Okay, it is. So let's start all over. It goes this way. You see, do mi so do mi so fa la re. Then you play the so ti re rather. Then you start all over again. Minyami sorry so it's basically this. Do mi so. Then you play fa la re. Then so ti re. Then do mi so. So it's very simple. Do mi so. Do mi so. Fa la re. Then so ti re. Do mi so. So do mi so kika ba da. Just that we want to fill spaces. That is why we are adding the 5th or the 5. That is the so. So if you are playing the so alongside the bass line and you are not feeling comfortable, you can just play there. Then play. Okay, someone might also play this way. Someone might also play it that way. It's not wrong. Do mi so. Do mi so. Then fa la do. Then you play. It's not wrong, but I prefer playing it this way. So with this bass line, with this working bass line, if you are playing a 4-string bass guitar, it won't favor you. You have to switch to this place. You have to switch to the highest note. That goes this way. That is the same thing as applied to the lower notes, but if you are playing a 5-string guitar, I prefer you play on the lower notes, because you playing on the higher notes, it makes a lot of noise. It shouldn't be so. At least although you're moderate. So the first bass line, you play it on the highest note, then when it goes to the next part, you move to the lower note. That is why it is called bass guitar. It is not called lead guitar. Lead guitar will be playing something like, you see, you'll be playing the highest note. So the bass guitar has to play the bass note. All right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If this video has been a help to you, just leave a like and leave a comment under the comment section. Goodbye.